Hey, ChefD here for Authentic Pizza Ovens. You can do more than just bake pizzas in these amazing ovens. As we mentioned before, we did some halibut. Now we have some amazing salmon. We're just gonna season our salmon with a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. You just need a touch to give it some extra flavor. We have our cast iron fry pans with lemons in, and the lemons are gonna char as they cook and give the salmon some amazing flavor. So we're gonna take our salmon, we're gonna put it into our Authentic Pizza Oven. It's about 170 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius in there. We're gonna close the lid. Again, we're gonna take a look at it in about 7 to 8 minutes. It's gonna be absolutely perfect. It might need a couple more minutes and then we're gonna have some amazing eating. So in real time, this has taken 10.5 minutes, almost 11 minutes to get our salmon to be beautiful. Look at that. You have the nice crust of the outside of the salmon. We have our lemons charring, which is giving it some amazing flavor. Place it over top, just like so. Just grab one of the lemons, and as it cools, that juice is gonna come out and be absolutely perfect for you. For this recipe and a whole lot more, go to AuthenticPizzaOvens.com.